So let's continue our journey here and look at this kind of question. Notice this one. Let's read it. It says, Kyra mows the lawn in 40 minutes. Mark and Kyra together can mow the lawn in 24 minutes. Now, look what's happening here. It's asking you, how long would it take Mark to just do it on his own? So think about this. We used to have a question like this. Like the last question was, I gave you Kyra's, I gave you Mark, and I said, figure out what happens if they work together. Well, here's how it's different. Look at this. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. I gave you Kyra this time, which is 40. I don't give you Mark, which is now X. But I do tell you together, they do it in 24 minutes. Isn't that interesting? Now, just like before, let's turn them into a fraction. Remember, they're always going to be over, or I should say under 1. The reason why is because we're looking at 100% of the job, which of course is just 1. So Kyra takes 1/40th of the time, Mark takes 1x of the time, and together they take 1/24th of time to do the whole job, see? And the ones again represent 100% of the job done. So all we have to do then is add Kyra, 1/40th, to Mark, 1/x, and that's going to equal to the total time to do 100% of the job, 1/24. Now, common denominators, just like before. What's missing in each one of these? If you look over here, what's missing is a 40 and an x. See, right? Okay, what's missing to this one? Well, yeah, a 24 and a 40. What's missing to the last one? Oh, let's just write that in because otherwise we're going to forget. Okay, 24 times 1 times 40. Now, what's missing on the last one? On the last one, we're missing a 24 and an x. Now look, all of your denominators are now common. They're 24 times 40 times x, 24 times 40 times x, 24 times 40 times x, and you can get rid of them. So what do you have here? You have 24x plus, 24 times 40. Well, that works out to be 960 equals to, 40 times x, which is 40x. Bring the 24x over, and look how easy this is to solve now. Minus 24x from both sides. That cancels, leaving you 960. 960 equals to, looks like 16x. Divide by 16, divide by 16, and guess what? You're going to find x to be 60. So what it takes, what happens here is, look, Kyra does this in 40 minutes. Mark is the x that you were looking for. It takes him 60 minutes. Together, it'll take him 24 minutes to mow the lawn. Kind of an interesting question, but it's always based on the fact that you're out of 100. That's really going to help you a lot.